Hey, tech enthusiasts. Are you stuck with the Activate Windows watermark on your desktop? No worries, I'm here to guide you through the quick and easy process of activating Windows 10. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about why activating your Windows is crucial. Not only does it unlock all the features, but it also ensures you receive updates, enhancing your system's security and performance. Now, how do we get rid of that pesky watermark? Step 1. You need a product key. This key is a 25-character code that you get when you purchase Windows. It might be in your email, on a box, or provided by your device manufacturer. Make sure you have this key because it's the ticket to a fully functional system. Now let's activate it. Hit the Start button and go to Settings. From there, choose Update and Security, and then click on Activation. Here, you'll see if your Windows is activated or needs the key. If it's the latter, enter your product key in the space provided. It's as simple as that. But what if you encounter an error? Don't worry, it's usually fixable. Make sure you're connected to the internet and your date and time settings are correct. Errors can also occur if you've made significant hardware changes. In this case, you might have to contact Microsoft support for help. Lastly, if you're upgrading from Windows 7 or 8, your license should automatically convert, but always double-check to ensure everything is up to snuff. And there you have it. Your Windows 10 should now be activated and watermark-free. Dive into its full potential and enjoy a smoother, more secure computing experience. Remember, keeping your system activated is not just about removing a watermark, it's about ensuring optimal performance and security. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one for more tech tips and tricks. Stay tech savvy, folks.